what are the benefits of virtual reality devices? Why, see, I want to do a Vatfo dot test using virtual reality, or I can just do a virtual Vatfo dot test in my physical space itself. Why I should do it in the virtual space, right? So the question is coming, right? So we are seeing that a lot of benefits are there with the virtual. So there are a lot of published evidences. So if I do a test in the virtual space, this can be connected with the internet, so it can be taken at any place. The patient need not come to your office. The device can be going to the patient's home. Okay, so there is a tele eye testing model is there. So so it is it's beneficial, or even during the pandemic time. So it's beneficial for. So that is one advantage. See, the another advantage is the patient may be millions of miles away from you, so you can just still do the testing. And most importantly, the documentation is there, and you have the documented evidence. The software coding, everything takes care. So all your patient data are saved over there. So a lot of benefits over there. And this is one interesting study where I saw a case report from a Remed BV. It's a gaming virtual reality app. So this is basically now it's available in India from Vicent innovation system. So where we can get this. So what we are seeing here is there's a published evidence saying that this has been given for people who are having poor stereopsis, and they could document that stereopsis improved significantly with this device, right? So we are seeing a lot of possibilities. So we are coming up. So the same device is coming up with a lot of other evidences, which is not yet published. But we can see that it is superior in performance in terms of the improvement that it is giving, and extra advantages. Tele eye testing is there, and the child need not take a holiday from the school and come to the office. It can be done at home. So there are a lot of advantages that we are seeing here in this platform. Okay, so I put this publication. You can download and you can read this paper. It's very interesting to see this. So so these images I have taken from this paper only, I have mentioned here. So it's very interesting that a lot of games are there. Children like it. So another advantage here, you can make it, you can create it the way the child likes it, right? So so this is the Remed device only that I was talking. So this is excellent. So the children are very excited to play this, and while you are playing, your visual performances are improving. That's really interesting. So okay, so as I've already discussed, there are a lot of benefits. It's portable and it's home based, and you can do the telemedicine, and you can do the documentation and use it for the future purpose.